You know, so I like plenty onions. So they follow my mama. My mama like onions. That time if my mother cook stew, she will cut the onions round, so that when you are eating the stew, you just be chewing the onions. On Sunday rice. Now because you people eat rice every day, there's nothing like Sunday rice. During my time growing up, you don't eat rice every day. Na garri. Garri morning, afternoon, night. But with better soup, good soup. Different kinds of soup assorted with good fish, stock fish. My mother, she was a very good cook. I take after her. Take after my mother. May her soul rest in peace. I'm reaping the fruit of her labor now. This one don't fall. I'm reaping the fruit of my mother's labor now. Hello guys, welcome to Lady O's Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare quick and delicious dinner. We are using ramen noodles. So even though in my previous one of my videos I've already cooked ramen noodles, and like I've always said, you can use one condiment to cook different kinds of meals or use it to cook so many ways. It's not only one way. There's no one way to cooking. There is no one way to cooking. So we are going to prepare ramen noodles again in a different method with different condiments. Okay, let me get I need my black pepper because I'm using black pepper to prepare this, and I'm not using more or much condiment, just keeping it simple and delicious. My heat is on. Let the pot dry up a little bit because I'm going to be fancy with these ramen noodles. Let me slice my onions. I'll also use green onions. To garnish it. Okay. Now the pot is dry. I pour in my vegetable oil. Am I with my speaker? Oh, I didn't see it. Is it on me? I thought I forgot my speaker. I'm going to make these ramen noodles in a very fancy and delicious way so that, you know, as you are perceiving the aroma, it will be like dinner is cooking. Dinner is cooking. Yep. Let my oil heat up a little bit before I will pour in my onions. I need some stuff here. I need that. What else do I need from here? I think I'm good with this for now. But I need rubber fork. Let's see if the oil is heated up. Once you hear that sound, you know that the onions is ready to get in. Lots of onions. Baby O loves onions. Nothing is wasted also. Nothing should be thrown away. Yeah, I'll use a greener part to garnish it. Wow, is it not looking good already? Is this not looking good? Oh my God. When you know how to cook, you know how to cook. Where is the cover? Okay. Just cover the pot and allow it to do its thing. Just be cooking. You see, I sliced these onions round on purpose because I wanted it to just be like this and look so beautiful like this. Then I'll add my salt. Where is salt? Did I bring out salt? Okay, here is salt. Just for the onions. You know, the salt will also add taste to the onions. But I don't want it to be too salty because ramen noodles comes with its own seasoning agents that contains salt, so that the food will not be too salty. Nice. I'll just cover it up a little bit. Then in a little while, I'll add hot water. So I'll pour in my hot water. Reason being that if I pour cold water in, it will slow down the boiling process, but the hot water will just continue with the boiling process. Not too much water. You know, I can just guess the quantity of water without measuring it. So my ramen noodles will get in. You see, the hot water makes it to continue boiling. If it was cold water, it will slow down the boiling process. So just pour in your hot water. I got the hot water from the tap. Very hot water. Guys, this is the dinner that you just prepare. Maybe you went to work and you just came home and you didn't have time to do something very serious. You can just prepare this for yourself and your family. I think 2 is enough. I don't need too much. Cover it up and allow it to boil up. Now I want to add the ramen noodle seasoning. I love the flavor of this ramen noodle seasoning. Let me lower my heat. Then I'll add my black pepper for the flavor and maybe a little bit spicy, though it's not really hot, but just to spice it up a little bit and the flavor. Nice, nicely looking. Okay, This is looking good. Let me taste it. Nice. Trust Lady Owner. Then this is where the queen of the show comes in, which is my egg. Guys, this is how I will add my egg to the cooking. Just place them. There's always sometimes accident in the kitchen. The shell fell in without my permission. Nice. And then I will garnish it with my green onions, just to add color. More. Okay. And then cover it up. Just allow it to simmer until the egg is cooked. Then the ramen noodles. Is it ramen noodles egg? How do we call it? What's the name? Just delicious, simple, delicious, balanced diet dinner is ready. Nice. Just look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Okay guys, this is the delicious ramen noodles with egg. I'm going to dish it out now and serve it to myself or for myself and my family members. Guys, come and enjoy with me. This dinner is looking good. Looking good, looking good. Just look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. This is my delicious ramen noodles with egg. I'm going to dig into it. Come and eat with me, my viewers, so my well-wishers, my friends, my family members. This is looking so good. This is good dinner. Thank you guys for watching, for loving my delicious meals, for subscribing, for commenting. Please like, share, and watch out for more delicious meals from Lady O's Kitchen. Thank you. Bye-bye.